Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be playing Survivor Plane Crash. I know this game is old, but I wanted to replay it because they actually made a better version of it. And look what you can do. You can actually look. Yeah! You can look through the thing while it's going. It says everyone's in a flight. Wait, has it opened? Oh no, it hasn't.
Oh my god, where is everyone at? We're like in this bird cage. What?
Ew, you can actually lock the door or something? Oh my god, the Zozo girl actually got into the seat finally.
Wait, there's like people are like somewhere. Oh my god, wait, come here.
Okay.
Can I see it? Move. Bro, where's everyone at? There's like people like in the thing with like the bird cage. Like what is that?
Wait, we have to get to our seats. Come on. Ew, I can only see a wall. Oh, pathetic wall. I don't want to see walls.
Wait, you can exit? Door locked. Pressing F.
F. No, it's E. Oh my god, it's going faster. It's going faster.
Fast, fast. Gas. Wait, let's see the outside view. Fast, fast.
Gotta step on hard, fast, fast, fast. Gotta step on the gas tonight, no matter what. Yeah, yeah. Noob. Oh my god, we're going so high, so high.
So high like you.
Oh my god.
High.
High. Oh my god, we're in a cloud. That looks like diarrhea. The cloud looks like diarrhea.
Dude, I went to this lake because we went camping, and we had to go to multiple lakes because there was no swimming there, and like one of them was too steep. And then the porta potties, they had like poop smeared across the seat.
Oh my god.
I'm being serious, it stank so bad. And like under the seat, there was like no flushes, but it was just like a whole pile of rocks and like that sewer poop.
Yeah.
Third question.
What?
If I would pay you $100 million, would you lick a toilet seat?
No.
Oh.
Actually, I would like a pre-made toilet seat that was just recently made. And no one touched it yet. Easy. Easy.
Wait, we're trying to take another question beside me.
Alright, I'm gonna look at it. Where is it? Hold on.
We're not even moving. Wait a minute.
Where are we going Where are we going back? Oh.
It looks so laggy.
Lag. Wait, do this again? Do that. But how do I look at it? Oh my god.
I think there's like
Oh, I found it. It didn't work. Hold on. Let's do it again. Let's see what it looks like now. It takes a bit to load. Wait, yes, we can. They're serving food.
wait.
Look. Let me in. It didn't work.
Go back.
I'm gonna scroll.
Me. Come here.
Wait.
This is your captain speaking. We have reached our cruising altitude of 35,000 feet. You may now
Wait.
proceed to
Oh, that's magic.
Ryan, have you tried turning down engines? What didn't work?
What?
Ladies and gents.
Who?
please set
Oh,
aside
she?
your belts.
Oh, she's one of my
It's
friends.
a bit of rough air. Captain out.
Bro, you have so many friends. Oh my god.
Dude, that's actually my close friends. Because I only friend close ones that always join
Hello
me.
again, passengers. This is your captain speaking. We
Yo,
actually went
sit
a bit
down,
higher than we meant. That's not too drastic. Just 50
Wait, how
down.
much you get?
So we are
No.
headed back down a bit more. Get out of some rough spots. Keep your seatbelts fastened this time. Captain out.
Yeah, you're on YouTube. We went higher than we meant to. You're gonna die if you go that high.
Higher than your mom, because your mom's high on legs.
What? Bro, you're me. No, you're Uno reverse card.
No, actually, my mom kind of drinks a little bit, so.
Eee. If I die, I'm blaming on you.
Ew, sunscreen! Sunscreen! That guy's
Eh.
sinking him into the floor!
No, he's good sunscreen.
Greetings, passengers.
Why are we going fast?
This is your captain.
Fast, 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 fast.
Everything seems to be okay right now.
Fast,
So
fast!
we're just gonna go ahead and make an emergency landing in the most city.
Fast, fast. We're big fast.
What about you?
Oh my god, I want that. Let's try doing it in first person. I don't want to die, my god. If I die, I'm suing someone, right?
You're recording, bro.
No, I'm not. Just kidding, I am. Engines are handled. It's actually than more usual. We're gonna die! Let's try seeing if the thing is still good. Come on, let's try seeing if the current. Oh crap! My seat.
Right.
Oh my god! Get in the seat! You're in the floor! Oh my god! Where? I can't see! Why did I jump? Wait. Where's your fire? Go up, I'm gonna die.
Can I put my hair down or should I put it in a ponytail?
Hair down. One, be right back. I'm gonna look at the engine. G. Oh my god. Wait. Oh, down more. G. I'm gonna look at the engine.
Wait, can you see my roleplay? What?
Bro, this one's good. We're losing. We're losing. Why is it going down awfully fast? Idiot! I hate you.
Get on my seat.
We're gonna die. Oh my god!
Oh my god, we go headset mode.
X Games mode!
Hello, passengers. This is your
Wait,
captain
you
speaking.
get down.
Maybe for the last
Oxygen.
flight.
Come on!
Panic, but we're going down, and nothing is working in our favor.
Food.
Emergency precautions. Captain out.
How do you get food? Food. Give me all. Give me all. Yes, I got all the food. Wait, go back, hurry! Grab.
Put it down.
Oh! Frick, man!
Sit down.
We're gonna die! Over here! Go back! Go to the escape route! Ah! Stop punching people! Stop! Stop, you fat idiot! Sunscreen idiot! Ugh! Ow! Stop! Don't go near my drink, you stupid! Open! How you put? Move! Stupid idiots! I gotta kill this guy! Wait, I'm gonna kill this guy! Fortnite kid. I'm not, you're hitting me!
Sorry.
H! Mum. I got this. I killed him! I killed him!
I killed one too. Kill the guy.
No! Ow! Wait, get to the door! Kill! 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 Ow! Glider! Why did I die? I used the glider!
Ow!
Wait, I can go back in. Ow!
Glider! How do you use the glider?
I just clicked mine. I'm still alive. Wait, no, I died. Oh my god, I died!
Say, how do you use a parachute?
When I used my glider, I died!
How do you use a glider?
Let's do it again.
What's a glider?
How do you stay alive?
I don't know. Wait, new game. This kind of sucks.
Okay. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.